brand new box. If I can. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing this brand new box. Yeah, so we're unboxing this box, and it looks really nice. This is my brand new unboxing video. New subscribers, please subscribe. Uh-oh. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, so this is what we're unboxing today. This is the T16000M Hotas. Okay, so there's their Snapchat if you want to follow them. But why would they have a Snapchat? Okay, so is this? Give me a second. Give me a second. I have no idea how to open this box. Crap. Wait, I think I figured it out. Okay, so open the box. Okay, so these are some cables, and how are you supposed to take this out? Are you kidding me? What? Now watch this, guys. This is real professional. All right. This is the box right here. I don't care. This is what we want. So this is it. Open this up. I hope you enjoy that squeaking noise. This is the throttle. Yes. It moves up and down. It's really nice. Okay, this is my joystick. When you go like when you play War Thunder. Some cables. Instruction manual number 1. Instruction manual number 2. Don't worry about it. Okay, I have no clue what this is. That's my unboxing video. Guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing this brand new box. If I can. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing this brand new box. Yeah, so we're unboxing this box, and it